Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you guys can edit or update your site on cPanel. So let's get right into it. Now, if you want to update your site from cPanel directly, you can very easily use an HTML editor, which you have within your file manager, or you can use a simple text editor. I'll be explaining how to use both through this guide over here. However, let me just preface this by saying that you can also upload your own files. You can connect an FTP account to, development environments such as VS Code, where you can make changes from VS Code, which they will automatically update on cPanel, which I do have another tutorial on, so you can really check that out. You can also just directly upload your files using the file manager. Just upload the new files from your device and straight onto your cPanel. However, I do recommend you back your files up and make sure that your files work before uploading them. But yeah, without further ado, let me show you guys how you can edit them through cPanel itself. So first, of course, you need to log into cPanel, then go into Files, go into the File Manager, and select the public HTML folder. Sometimes it might be the www folder, but usually it's just public HTML. And once you click on that, an interface that consists of files and folders will open to the right of the panel, and then you just need to find the files that you want to edit. Now, to edit them, you can right-click them and select either the simple text editor or the HTML editor. The HTML is what you see is what you get, pretty much, and you can edit documents in that format. This editor does have rich features and is similar to Microsoft Word. You have a box to type your content, apply text styles, a font to choose from, apply bold, italics, and underline to your text, write content as bullet points and numbered lists, set alignments, insert hyperlinks, and all that good stuff. Other than that, you can use the simple text editor, and as I've mentioned, once you right-click the HTML file, select either edit or HTML edit. If you select edit, you do need to select the correct encoding type for character set encoding. Usually the default is Unicode, and if you select an incorrect one, your file will be either useless or corrupted. So just select the valid one. Usually UTF-8 or Unicode is the good one. Then once you select the encoding type, click edit, and then you'll have the text editor right over here. And that's pretty much it. And as I mentioned, for HTML, just click on HTML, select character encoding again, click edit, and this is what your editor will look like. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.